I'm waiting on some parts here for some bigger projects I got going on the Kenworth. So I'll do a couple little small projects, and actually gonna replace a mud flap. The mud flap on the driver's side, I always have the chrome weights on the bottom, or stainless weights I use. And looks like it just from slapping around bent a little bit, and looks like at one point the mud flap flipped up under on itself. So I figure while I got a little bit of time, I'll replace a mud flap. So let's get this old one off. Well, as you can see, this mud flap's seen better days. With it bent, they get slapping around. I mean, they get a lot of wind. And but these mud flaps I bought are actually 30-inch mud flaps. So I cut them down to 24 inches, but I got to cut them down from the top. So that's what we're going to do now. Jeez, static. I'll do it face down. And my square here is exactly 24 inches, so works out perfect. A brand new blade in here. Should slice right through pretty easily. It's like cutting drywall. All right, we got a cut. I'm gonna have to drill the holes for it. Because I'm lazy and don't feel like measuring, I set the old one on top of the new one. I should go over it a couple times because them ribs there on the mud flaps could be a real pain. And now we got the holes drilled. All right, now we got the pretty stuff for it. Yeah, pretty stainless. Let's get a couple smudge marks on there. These weights have been sitting around for a little bit. Anyway, I don't measure these either. Up like that. It's at the right place. And I drill through. W900L. Washer nut. I'm going to tighten these down. They don't need tightened down too crazy. If you tighten them down too much, it pulls in and dimples the thing, and that makes it look not as good. There we go. That's about all you need. Alright, it's on there good. I'm gonna have to wipe it down a little bit, make it look pretty. Then we'll go put it back on the truck. Well, there you have it. New mud flap put on with some chrome. That just makes it look a little bit better. I'll put some tools away here and I'll get on to my next project.